What we put out into the world is what we attract into our lives. This concept may seem far-fetched to some, but it holds a profound truth. Our thoughts and words play a significant role in creating our future experiences. It's as if our thoughts are transmitted into the universe, transformed into tangible experiences, and then communicated back to us. Understanding this concept is not always easy. Many people find it difficult to grasp the idea that their thoughts have such a profound impact on their lives. However, once we accept that every thought and word contributes to shaping our future, we can begin to make sense of it all. We become aware that we are the architects of our own lives. Becoming conscious of our thoughts and their effects is the first step towards improvement. We need to train ourselves to be aware of what goes through our minds, regularly asking ourselves, "What am I thinking?" and evaluating whether we want those thoughts to shape our lives can help in developing this awareness. It takes time, but even starting at the fundamental level of conscious thinking brings about positive changes. One powerful practice in this journey is the use of affirmations. Affirmations involve consciously making positive statements about our lives. They can be performed in various ways, such as writing them down, posting them on walls or mirrors, or simply verbalizing them. Looking into a mirror while affirming ourselves holds a special significance. It allows us to connect with our own reflection and either accept or become aware of any self-rejection present within us. Loving ourselves and cultivating an attitude of gratitude towards ourselves and the world around us creates a shift in our vibration. When we emit and receive a different energy, life responds to us in unexpected ways. The universe favors grateful individuals, and the more grateful we are, the more reasons we find to be grateful. Loving oneself doesn't equate to vanity. It means recognizing our inherent worth and the value we bring to the world. By treating ourselves with respect and kindness, we alter the course of our lives. What we put out into the world is what comes back to us. Therefore, emitting the vibe of self-acceptance and love attracts positive experiences. Working with affirmations and practicing self-love in front of a mirror can lead to profound shifts. Looking into our own eyes and saying, "I love you," helps in healing the inner child that may have experienced rejection. Little miracles begin to unfold as we bridge the gap and allow self-love to replace self-criticism. The more we treat ourselves with respect and kindness, the more positive occurrences we attract. Enlightenment involves letting go of beliefs and barriers that no longer serve us. It's a process of consciously choosing thoughts, actions, and even the food we consume. As we make conscious choices and let go of unnecessary burdens, we progress on our spiritual journey. Enlightenment isn't about complicating life, but simplifying it through conscious awareness and intentional decision-making. To experience harmony within ourselves, we must release stress. Stress and inner harmony cannot coexist. Being at peace with ourselves and the world means taking things one step at a time, not letting the little things bother us, and taking action to overcome anxiety. Recognizing that the only power that exists in our world is our own empowers us to create a peaceful, loving, joyful, and fulfilling life. Affirmations focused on living stress-free can bring immense joy and more reasons to celebrate. By letting go of worries and concerns, life becomes less complicated. Relaxing our muscles, breathing deeply, and focusing on our capabilities help release tension. We cultivate faith in our ability to handle any situation and have a sense of safety. We realize that stress is rooted in fear and cast away our worries. Moreover, the practice of affirmations extends far beyond personal transformation. Its impact reaches into the world around us, permeating the very fabric of our existence. As we diligently cultivate positive thoughts and beliefs, we radiate a higher vibration that profoundly influences the people and situations we encounter on our journey through life. Our positive energy becomes contagious, spreading like a ripple effect, inspiring and uplifting those in our presence. By actively working on transforming ourselves and fostering a positive mindset, we contribute to the collective consciousness and co-create a more harmonious and compassionate world. Our individual efforts, when combined, have the power to create significant positive change on a global scale. When we embark on the path of self-improvement and consciously choose positive affirmations, we initiate a process of inner alchemy. The transformation begins within us, but extends far beyond our own being. Our positive thoughts and beliefs create a magnetic field that attracts corresponding experiences and influences the energy around us. It is akin to tuning in to a particular frequency and resonating with the vibrations of joy, love, and abundance. As we radiate positivity, our energy interacts with the energy of others, creating a ripple effect. Just like dropping a pebble into a pond, the ripples expand outward, touching every corner of the water. Similarly, our positive energy reaches out to touch the lives of those we encounter. It has the power to uplift their spirits, ignite their inner light, and inspire them to embrace their own transformation. The contagious nature of positive energy is undeniable. When we exude genuine positivity, it becomes infectious, influencing the people we interact with. Our words, actions, and demeanor carry a magnetic charm that draws others towards us. They are attracted to the warmth and radiance we emanate. In turn, they are inspired to embrace a more positive outlook on life, creating a domino effect of transformation and growth. Imagine a world where every individual consciously practices positive affirmations and radiates love, compassion, and joy. The collective consciousness would be infused with harmonious vibrations, creating a global shift towards unity, understanding, and peace. It all starts with each of us making a commitment to our own personal growth and embracing the power of affirmations. By transforming ourselves, we become catalysts for change. Our individual progress creates a ripple effect that extends beyond our immediate sphere of influence. We unknowingly inspire those around us, encouraging them to embark on their own journeys of self-discovery and self-improvement. Through our words and actions, we communicate the immense power of positive thinking and affirmations. We become living proof that change is possible and that a life filled with joy and fulfillment is within reach. The interconnectedness of humanity further amplifies the impact of our positive energy. We are all part of a collective tapestry, woven together by the threads of our thoughts, beliefs, and experiences. As we contribute to the collective consciousness with our positive vibrations, we contribute to the fabric of the world itself. Each positive affirmation uttered, each act of kindness performed, has the potential to create a powerful wave of transformation that reverberates throughout society. When we witness the transformation in others, it reinforces our own commitment to growth and serves as a reminder of the profound influence we have on the world. We realize that our journey is not just about personal fulfillment, but about creating a better world for all beings. It becomes our responsibility to continue radiating positivity, sharing our knowledge and experiences with others, and encouraging them to embark on their own transformative journeys. Creating a harmonious and compassionate world starts with self-love and self-acceptance. By affirming our worthiness and embracing our unique gifts, we cultivate a deep sense of love and compassion for ourselves. This inner transformation ripples outward as we extend that love and compassion to others. We become beacons of light, illuminating the path for those seeking their own self-discovery and transformation. The practice of affirmations is a powerful tool for personal growth and global transformation. It extends far beyond our individual lives, shaping the world we inhabit. By consciously choosing positive thoughts and beliefs, we radiate a higher vibration that inspires and uplifts those around us. Our positive energy becomes contagious, creating a ripple effect of transformation and contributing to the collective consciousness. Together, we have the power to co-create a more harmonious, compassionate, and joy-filled world. In conclusion, the power of positive thinking and affirmations is transformative. By becoming aware of our thoughts and consciously choosing positive ones, we shape our reality. Loving ourselves and practicing gratitude attract abundant positivity. Letting go of stress and embracing inner harmony create a peaceful and fulfilling life. Moreover, our positive energy spreads to others, creating a ripple effect of goodness in the world. Remember, you are the creator of your own destiny. Embrace the power within you and create a life filled with joy, love, and limitless possibilities.